Hey, what's up guys, it's Nick and Gia. Today we're here in Istanbul and I'm going to show you around our apartment here in Kadiköy. Follow me. So right here we have our little landing area. You go this way, you got a bedroom, our bathroom, and where Gia's standing right now is the living room. If you look right here as well, we've got a triple lock door. Let me try to turn the light on, there we go. So to make sure you're secure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you're 5'2", you think about these things.
Right over here we have our TV and living room area. Came with this really nice, pretty big TV. Our landlady even gave us an HDMI cord with the apartment. Right in here, as well as some other different cords.
She's a 10-footer.
And some Christmas decorations that Gia used during the holidays. It's pretty nice. We got 2 chairs, which really came in handy when my parents came to visit. We got this bed, or the sofa right here. This whole thing unfolds into a very big, comes up to maybe here, very large bed. This is where my parents stayed when they were here. We stayed in the other bedroom because it's a little bit smaller. Over here, we've got the kitchen. It's definitely been a nice upgrade since being in Asia. We've got four gas burners here, which in Asia, we really had to make do with a tiny...
We were very confused by the stove, so we weren't able to use them.
Yeah, that is true. We had like one tiny little electric thing and they were a nightmare. And for whatever reason, every apartment in Asia, both in Thailand and in Vietnam, had the exact same brand of stove, and they were impossible to use. Came with a coffee maker, a kettle that just stopped working halfway through, an oven, some spices. We bought a lot of this stuff. And then she came with some coffee.
Let's just not open up every single one.
We got a bunch of plates.
They don't need to know that.
A bunch of plates.
Check out these plates and check out these plates and check out these cups.
Full American-sized fridge, which has been pretty hard to come by since traveling, which was nice.
We've been used to mini fridges.
And then a heater/air combo.
And if you notice, we are in the basement actually, and it's not as bad as you'd think. We actually get little kitties that sit out in our window normally. There's none today, unfortunately.
Right here, Simon will come up here, and then we just crack this open.
Oh yes, his name is Simon, and we feed him.
We put some sausage out there, and all the neighborhood cats come running up. It's a pretty cool view, honestly, if you can kind of look up and see the street.
And the cats, don't forget the cats.
And the cats, of course. And let's go check out the bathroom. Come this way.
It's been weird using heat. We haven't had to use heat in Asia.
So right in here we have our bathroom and laundry room. We have a dedicated washer dryer, which has been very nice. One interesting thing about Turkey is you have to take out the water every time you use the dryer. So if you open up this thing, you pull this all the way out, and this compartment right here fills up with water. So that was something that was interesting to get used to. We have a nice big shower right here. Pretty big upgrade since Asia doesn't have the heaters that we were used to. It was nice and spacious. Oh, we have a hairdryer here. Gia blew out her hairdryer. I don't know if you might want to tell you that story.
If you're planning on traveling to Europe and you have a Revlon hairbrush and you want to get that nice blowout, be careful with the voltage because it will blow up. It blew up and my hand was black. So now we have a European sized one and it has a European adapter because I had to buy a new one. In this bedroom is our work area. We've been actually living on the sofa because it's bigger, and this has been my dungeon for work.
Yeah, Gia has spent a lot more time in here than I have, just because for work she kind of needs a private space. I
need something quiet and something that has good lighting. I love this mirror. This has been my favorite addition of this apartment. It's a nice vanity / teaching platform, and we've got a pull-out bed right here, twin size, which has been nice when we had guests over.
A little small, but for the week that they were here, it was more than enough. And we really got this space just because, or got this particular apartment just because this space would have been a perfect office. So like one of us can work over here and then the other one can work there. A lot of times Gia would take her class right in here. And then I would either work out in the living room on the bed, or sometimes I would come in here.
Overall, this has been our favorite apartment so far, and it has been really nice having 2 bedrooms. We're not used to that at all. We haven't had a 2-bedroom in forever.
We haven't had more than like a studio, honestly, since we lived in our university town, probably a year and a half, 2 years ago. We haven't had anything bigger than a studio. So it's been really nice to kind of have a lot more breathing room, and the affordability of this place was great. I think it was like $550 or $600 a month through Airbnb, which I don't think was bad at all. I think we paid like $700 for 6 weeks, 5 weeks, something like that.
And we're actually currently living in one of the trendiest parts of the Asian side of Istanbul. So it is super nice that we are just a block away from all the cool stuff.
Yeah, we're right in the heart of Kadiköy. We're maybe a 5-minute walk from Moda, 7-minute walk from the Bosphorus Strait. We have a subway station right down the road. All kinds of great restaurants, thrift stores, coffee shops. I mean, you could throw a stone and hit 25 different coffee shops right outside our front door. So it's been super great. And honestly, I think we're both pretty sad to be leaving it today. We're heading over to the Europe side to stay in Beyoğlu, I think it's called.
We're also a little bit sad that we're going to miss all the cats in Kadiköy, or Kadiköy, and we are going to be looking forward to seeing you in the next video.